Red was a little tomato who lived in a lush, green garden. Every day, he would roll around in the sunshine, his red skin shining bright. One sunny morning, Red noticed something unusual. A magical sparkle twinkled on his skin. He rubbed his eyes and looked again, but the sparkle was still there. Red was curious. He decided to follow the sparkle, rolling along the garden path. As he went, he felt a strange tingling sensation. Suddenly, he stopped. The sparkle had grown brighter, and he could feel a warm energy flowing through him. Red's heart pounded with excitement. He pressed on, and the sparkle led him to a beautiful, golden apple tree. Under the tree, he found a tiny, shimmering door. Red looked around, but he was alone. He took a deep breath and pushed the door open. Inside, he found a room filled with seeds of all colors. A tiny, golden fairy floated in the air. "Hello, Red," the fairy said. "I've been waiting for you. You have a special task today." "Your task is to plant these seeds," the fairy said, handing him a small pouch. "They will grow into beautiful, magical flowers. Go and plant them all." Red was determined. He thanked the fairy and ran back to his spot in the garden. He planted the seeds one by one, feeling the warm energy from the seeds as they touched the soil. Within minutes, the seeds began to sprout. Red watched in amazement as flowers of every color bloomed around him. He had never seen anything so beautiful. As the sun began to set, Red sat in the middle of his magical garden, surrounded by colorful flowers. He felt happy and content. He had made a difference, and he couldn't wait to see what tomorrow would bring. That night, Red dreamt of magical adventures and beautiful gardens. He woke up the next morning, ready for another magical day. And so, Red's magical journey had begun.